I'm Sampath Trimavithana, Chairman of ICT's Skill Council and a General Council member of SLUSCOM. Do corporate training for most of the leading companies in Sri Lanka. At the same time, I'm a visiting lecturer for private and public sector universities. I hold a master's in science on data analytics and data science, master of business administration, as well as various other academic and professional qualifications and affiliations. So, it's great that you are interested about the subject of data analytics. Now, why it is important? You must have heard about the next big thing. Right? So, the next big thing is about AI, data and data analytics. And they say whichever industry you are going to be, whether it is going to be banking, healthcare, music or any other medicine, anywhere, it's all going to be data driven. So, irrespective of which domain or which industry you are, I think knowing about data analytics is going to be fundamental. So, in this program, we will learn the foundations of data analytics. That means we will discuss about prescriptive analytics, that means visualizing data and also seeing patterns and understanding deep insights about what's going in your own industry or wherever you will apply this to. And also we will discuss about predictive analytics as well, which means that you can make data-driven decisions that is going to bring some level of certainty into the uncertain business environment or any other domain that you operate in. So, I recommend all of you to take the advantage of this program and get yourself future-proof and future-ready.